Something interesting happened today. I sat down like I do every day to produce a new video for this channel. And I had this topic that I was going through that was really interesting to me, and I started recording and it was going and going and going, and then I stopped it and I realized I've got 27 minutes. I'm like, I can't show a 27-minute video. No one's going to watch that. I don't even have time for 27 minutes. And I love hearing my own self-talk. So I just wanted to ask the question. Do you realize that Silly Putty, Post-it Notes, and Crazy Glue, three very, very helpful products, actually came about by accident? Legend has it, Silly Putty was actually originally designed with the intention of being an artificial rubber so that the military could use artificial rubber tires in combat zones. Likewise, Crazy Glue was originally designed as an adhesive to close sutures in a battle situation. And with Post-it Notes, what happened was the adhesive was actually a failure. So there's that glue underneath the piece of paper, and because it absolutely failed to stick stuff together like it was originally designed, it was thrown out as a faulty product. Some smart people said, you know what? Not all situations need super duper stickiness. And so that's the designers came up with this idea of putting slips of paper together and have it come off easily, and that's where the Post-it Notes come from. So in my experience this morning, I realized as I'm starting to edit this video from 27 minutes, I got about a third of the way through, and then I realized, you know what, this is actually useful information. I should separate this out into maybe some, series of 5 videos. And then I realized, you know what? This is something I think people will pay for, because there's actually some good information here. This valuable, relevant business information from someone who had been in a business situation, and I can share that information. That's how to save you money and how to save people from making mistakes and to grow their business in a more potent way, avoid some of the pitfalls I made. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to turn this into a course. So I found a whole new product. I wasn't even looking for that this morning. So that's great. So I just wanted to encourage you that if you have to put the work in, keep doing things, keep moving forward, but you never know where you'll wind up. So I just want to encourage you that good things can happen if you're putting in time, putting in effort into growing your business and working on your business and trying to stay out of working in your business. So that's just my word of encouragement for today. Hope you're doing well. Hope that this message finds you and helps you. And if you like this information, just like it, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification for tomorrow's video.